Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna and today we're gonna do the unboxing. I got a lot of stuff. Also, I get microphone out fifine, or okay, fifine, how we say? Because no, not fifine, fifine, no? And I hope it's working good, but today I was putting too much stuff to this microphone and I'm not sure it was very good sound. I try remember that I have my microphone here and don't put my hair, hands or other packages close to microphone. I ordered the adapter for iPhone, like a charging, and for the earphones. And when I ordered it, I was hoping that the hole for earphones it will be circle. No, it's not fucking circle. I fucked up. I finally have a scissors and we can open everything more easily. So first one package, ApocaLips. Oops, I cut something. Think I need to get the lipstick. Here's the sticker. And here 3 lipstick. I already have a lipstick on my lips, so I'll show you later. Why it's not going back inside? It's going out but not going in. No, it's not going back in. Whoops. Okay. I don't know how to put it back. No, I am fucked up. I hope with others it's not the same. Otherwise maybe I do something wrong. And no, this one going back in. Yes. Another one a little bit broken. The next one package. Okay. I need to show it. Another side. Let's open it carefully. Like I always do. No? And this is it's wig. So we got the wig. Oh, I can't wait to wear it. AnnabellesWigs. So I'll show you later. Let's open another package. I'm not gonna show you some other delivery. Oh, this is underwear. Whoops. This is underwear. Size 8. So this is bra. Oh, it's super cute. Red. I love the color. I love the red color. And the panties. It's gonna look very sexy. Let's open another one. Killing the pocket. No. Oh, it's so beautiful. Here's the roses. Very nice. I don't remember what I was need to get. Okay, we have stickers of the rose. I like it. And SkyDance. So what we have? Oh, we have skirts. They have the size XS. I hope I'm gonna fit it. No, why not? Forza. If not me, who else? No, looks pretty big. All my orders falling down. So this is a red skirt. No, I'm sure I'm gonna fit it. Another. I'm falling everything. Another is purple skirt. It's also size XS. Wow. Good that I ordered the XS. It looks pretty big. I need to pick up everything that I fall. Another one package. I think this package is not too much hard to open. Order delivery. And this is t-shirt. Okay, I'm too much small. Okay, it's black t-shirt. Meow. So I don't what's it's a size S. Okay, looks like M or L, like I like. This is order. I got the skirt from Christina's shop, and I was remembered that I ordered the same one. And they got another package. You see this hole, like your butthole. I'm gonna destroy it. Just a short message to my husband. So here is the same skirt, looks like that one, because sometimes I don't remember what I order, and it happens that twice I order the same thing. So this skirt looks like this, but it's more a hard material, and also here is this thing behind. I don't know how to call it. I'm not fan of this thing behind. Maybe I'm gonna cut it. And the choker, oh, I love it. Look at this, it's pink. I have a mess under my feet. Oh, this choker looks very nice. So beautiful. Oh, I love it. And I got the big box of the shoes. Zibru. It's this one. Inside this box we have we have, I show you. Or not. We have another box. Altercor. And we have the shoes inside. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. It's this one, boots. Oof, it's very heavy. Okay, I'll put it down. So it's red boots. If you can see, it's a little bit red and black. Thank you for the watching. Follow my channel, make the red bottom gray. Follow me on Instagram.